Have you ever wondered why violence has suddenly spiked in the Mexican state of Sonora? Today, we are breaking down the volatile mix of returning traffickers, internal cartel disputes, and new offensives driving this deadly conflict. Sonora has become a hotspot for gun battles primarily due to its strategic proximity to the U.S.-Mexico border. Historically, this region was dominated by the Caborca cartel, led by the infamous Rafael Caro Quintero, who controlled key plazas like Nogales. However, the landscape shifted dramatically when the Mexican military intervened in 2006. Their primary objective was to reduce drug-related violence by dismantling cartels, which inadvertently created a power vacuum that rival groups rushed to fill. As the old order crumbled, internal disputes within the powerful Sinaloa Cartel emerged. These internal fractures allowed other factions to challenge their authority and fight for control over the lucrative smuggling routes in northern Mexico. Complicating matters further is a fierce offensive launched by the powerful Jalisco Cartel New Generation. This group is actively battling both Sinaloa factions and remnants of the Caborca cartel to seize territory in this volatile region. The result is a deadly mix of veteran traffickers returning and new alliances forming. Agencies are now targeting specific plaza bosses to stabilize areas like Nogales, but the fighting among these groups has caused murder rates to spike significantly. Ultimately, Sonora remains a battleground because multiple powerful cartels are simultaneously vying for dominance. The combination of historical control, internal Sinaloa disputes, and the CJNG offensive makes it one of the most dangerous zones in the country. Understanding these shifting alliances is crucial to grasping the current state of Mexico's drug war. What do you think will happen next as these cartels fight for control? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.